The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall. Me can't come on station, yes, but I try to do something. Then what happened all when I said no that you come here and tell me say you want to kill me? No, but I just that didn't tell me. I just that didn't tell me.
You think I'm afraid to say that? Eh? You're a fucking idiot. Yo!
So where you have to kill me for?
Eh?
Where you have to kill me for now?
Fucking kill people and go to idiot.
You don't see the gun where they mash up?
As long as me there, so you're not going to live in peace.
Why?
Remember, I'm telling you, I'm going to fuck you.
Why?
Make sure you report to the station today now. May I finish work 6 o'clock. Remember, I'm telling you, it's bomb one. If you don't come to the station by 6 o'clock. Remember, I'm telling you, you can't, hey, don't fuck with me peace, here. Fuck with the peace, I see what go on.
So what happened? What me do?
Remember, bomb.
So what me do? What me do? What me do? What me do you? What me do you? And am I machine?
Well, alright viewers and subscribers, with a video like this out on social media, there's only one question I'm going to ask you right about now. Is it that this police officer is wrong or right? You get what I'm saying? Because he just threatened a man and it is said that that man killed another person's goat. Most likely a neighbor's goat or what. You see me? You could hear in the video where he said that the goat destroyed his field and all these things. And it's a long time we always hear about these things when it comes on to country, you know, hear about somebody's animal destroying somebody's crap and all these things. This kind of situation is right here, so is years upon years things like this happen, you know. Some people resort in some ways where it end up hurting certain animals where it is not good. And they see it right and fit because they are saying that what the animal is doing is stopping their livelihood. I can't justify something like that really and truly, because in both ways everybody is losing and the animal is suffering and all these things. But on the other hand now, the police officer turned around and threatening the man now. And when I remember certain things, I remember that a police officer, when they're applying for the job or they're in training, there is a oath that they took where that oath says something about malice or bias or something like that. But basically what it is said that as a police officer, you are there to uphold only the law and nothing but the law. You cannot use your personal feelings in any way possible or any form of malice, bias or whatsoever. You see me? So those are the kind of things that I remember. I might not remember it word for word, but it is there, something like that, you know. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, again, let me know what you think about something like this. Is it that the police officer is wrong and right for what he do? And the man himself, you need to tell me what you think about him and the actions that he did by hurting an animal. Alright, so tell me what you think about something like this. Alright, until next time, I don't know. My name is seriousskilla. Big up on yourself. You see it?